What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. I just had a brand new windshield put on this 2015 Charger. Brand spanking new. I can take the tape off tomorrow. But anyways, had a crack that went all the way across it. And guys just left about 5 minutes ago. And it looks great. So this is a 2000, I just ordered some center caps for the rims because it didn't come with the center caps when I bought it, and it also had a crack across the windshield. So there it is, 2000 all-wheel drive V8 5.7 liter Hemi. You could not buy a V8 2015 or newer Dodge Charger from the factory because they only make them in V6s. So if you went to Dodge and said, hey, I want an all-wheel drive Dodge Charger, they're going to show you all V6s because they're only offered to law enforcement. So super hard to get with the V8 all-wheel drive because you cannot get them unless a law enforcement agency offers one to you when they get their new vehicles in for the year. So there you go, super hard to come by. This is the only one available on the whole West Coast. As far as I've looked for one, I can't find one. There's one over in Florida and maybe in Illinois or something like that. But that's it. I sold a 2016 all-wheel drive last month to a guy that flew out from Texas for a company that he works for. He's going to use it as a work vehicle, and he drove it back. I picked him up at the airport. He drove it back. But that was the only other one that's on the West Coast that's V8 all-wheel drive 2015 or newer. I didn't wash today. It was raining and stuff on it, so it's pretty dirty right now. But wheel cover is going to be here in a couple days. Pop those suckers on. Brand new windshield. It's a one-owner vehicle. It's always been professionally maintained and upkept with 122,000 miles on it. And it runs and drives great with absolutely no known mechanical issues whatsoever. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Most amount of vehicle for least amount of money guaranteed. This has a carpet kit. Sorry, I got all my stuff in here. I took my daughter to school this morning. But it's got a leather cushion back seat, and it's got carpet. Most of these come with a hard plastic back seat and a rubber matted floor. Not this one. So you got Bluetooth. As long as you got the transmitter in your pocket right here, or if you're holding it, you just touch the top of this door handle and it locks, and you touch the underside and it unlocks. So there it is. 2015 all-wheel drive V8. Can't get one anywhere else. Interceptorking.com. You guys have a great day. Bye.